Okay, so you might notice a very familiar speaker. This particular woofer driver right here is my profile, as well as it being in my intro video, moving a little bit. And this speaker, I did find out in the rain, it was soaked, and it worked. Now, the owner of that speaker gave me the right speaker. And, of course, the tweeter works, but the woofer is a total open circuit. And I know how to fix this, and I've already located the problem, so I'm going to be talking about today and showing that I actually located the problem and I actually found the way to fix it. Plus, I will be fixing the problem in this video. Okay, so as you can see, I ended up taking apart this driver. It's a pretty good driver with the stamped steel frame. Always like that. Vintage square magnet. You've got the cone here. And here is where the problem happened. These wires, okay. These wires, okay. Then, I touched the coil. And it was moving around in there on one side. And I also noticed, if you can see that, the wire is sticking up right here, and it totally has an end. You can see that that wire, if I zoom this close enough, is broken. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put those two ends of the wire together with solder. Okay, so here's what I did to fix it. You can see I hot glued the coil so it wasn't moving around anymore. Soldering the wire just right up to the wire didn't really work out, so what I did is I unwound the coil one full winding and remade this whole connection. Still have to cut that little piece of wire off. But that's pretty much what I did, and I put electricity through these two wires from my receiver, and when I put it up to just a random magnet, it was actually making sound, so now this is working. So pretty much that's how I fixed the speaker. The next step will be to strongly glue those two parts together so that they don't create any vibrations. Okay, so as you can see, the woofer looks a little bit off, but this is just a little temporary repair before some new drivers from eBay arrive. And just to tell you, they are the same driver from the same speaker. Someone actually removed them from their speaker and sold them on eBay. So yes, these are original, the new ones that will be coming. And these will improve the quality of the speaker, as well as giving them a newer look without all the dust. So, and all the hot glue around the speaker. So, I'll also, as you can see, put more healthy soundproofing under this than the original fiberglass. Who knows what's even in this stuff? So, pretty much that's what's coming up and what already happened with this woofer, which it doesn't look like it, but it actually works perfect.